putting another deer blind out. Dean was I buy cool stuff, driving the Ford today, putting another deer blind out. It's not a new deer blind, it's the first one we built, and we refurbished it. So we brought it back in, put sliding windows in it, fixed it up. So let's get back to it. Alright, heading out with the blind. So this is the lemonade stand, and it's the smallest of our blinds. It was the first one we built. We didn't even have windows in it, so you can see we've put some spray foam around it and put sliding windows. They slide, our new blinds all slide up and down. These ones here slide left and right. But we refurbished it so we can use it. So we'll get back after it. Whoa, whoa! Barry's up in the bucket, hanging the door. He says it's an OSHA approved bucket. So, I don't know about all that, but we're getting her done like normal. Barry and Elizabeth, when I made this blind 5 years ago, it looked like a kid's lemonade stand. So they made me a sign, and I come out, and here it was with this sign on there. So Barry retrieved the sign, and this is the sign for the lemonade stand. Buy, sell, and trade lemonade stand. Alright, so we're on the inside of the lemonade stand. And we got a nice shooting lane right here. We're going to trim that horizontal branch there. Leave the other one probably. But it's about 100 yards to where the trail curves there. Don't know if you can tell. Right here in front of us. That right there, you can see the curve there is our water hole. And the dirt we piled, there's a video on that if you want to watch us putting in the water hole. And so we had this little cutoff. This is on our east road, runs on the back side here. And this is a cutoff from the east road going west to camera 1, or the mystery blind is over that way, and it goes over to the old east road. So this little cutoff here connects over to the old east road from the new east road. So, and put a can of spray foam in here, because when I built this originally 5 years ago, I had no plans on putting windows in it. So I didn't care how open it was. I just wanted something to keep a little bit off. And then I figured out how cold it is. So this one here is got horizontal sliding windows. So you grab the string and you pull, and it moves it. You just slide it back over when you're done. And it's very slick. So anyhow, just grab the string and pull. Barry did a good job of retrofitting this 5-year-old blind, built on an old pallet. junk plywood door. Got another pallet out here for the landing. Handrails, just scraps of wood. So this is the lemonade stand. Old used tin that we've caulked the holes on. So anyhow, hope you like our video on putting out the lemonade stand for the second time. And like, comment, subscribe. And like I always say, God bless you and God bless America.